Classes 7 students, how are you? Today I'm going to discuss determination. This is most important chapter of your class, and this is most interesting story, determination. Okay, class 7, chapter 7, moral science, page number 25 and 26. I will discuss on today, and next the video I will discuss next chapter. So try to see the story, then you can understand it properly. Try to understand the concept determination. This is your chapter determination. Which type of why determination title is given of this story. At the end of this story we will understand about it. Try to understand the concept of this story, then you can understand very well without any problem. Determination is what? At first try to understand. Determination is a very great quality to succeed in whatever task you take up. So you must have determination. This means that you must make up your mind to achieve your aim, no matter how many difficulties you may have to face. Suppose you want to achieve your dreams, then you will have to determine, I will definitely get the dreams. Then you can definitely get your dreams. You will overcome from your all problems. Okay, so this is the determination of power. Okay, I came, I saw, I conquered were the famous words of Julius Caesar. We know very well the extraordinary man Julius Caesar. Okay, he is the power of his his great man. They clearly showed so what a determined person he was. It was only because of his strong determination that he won battle after battle and finally became the emperor of Rome. Okay, it is the speech of Julius Caesar was said by the was said on that time. Okay, the marvelous the marvels of electricity, telegraphy, telephones, airplanes, rockets, and spacecraft were created by such person who were determined to succeed and overcome all the difficulties that arose in their pursuit. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, one of the great leaders of India's freedom struggle, they discovered many things, marvels, electricity, telegraphy, telephones, etc. They failed many times. In spite of they did not stop. They go confidently in the direction of the dream. Finally, they got success. It is the power of determination. Okay, try to understand the last part of the story. The Bal Gangadhar Tilak, one of the great leaders of India's freedom struggle, stands out of his this unique quality of determination. Tilak was a man you have already known. Listen the name of Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who is Bal Gangadhar Tilak? You are 7 student. You have already uh, listened the name in history subject, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, so Bal Gangadhar Tilak, one of the great out of this unique quality of determination. Tilak was a man such great qualities that Mahatma Gandhi called him. Mahatma Gandhi called him a giant among men. A giant among men. He was called Lokmanya, that is deserving. Okay, the respect to the people. The great man came from simple and humble family. His thinking was simple. But his he was from very poor background, but his thinking was poor. That's why he become very famous. He did good, extraordinary work in his life. Okay, he was to the son of a primary school teacher. He was he was the son of primary school teacher, yet he lived to become one of the great leaders of India. Tilak was a man of great courage, determination. Why people remember Tilak? Because he was determined person, selfless and patriotism. He devoted his life to the betterment of his country. One day, Bal Gangadhar Tilak father was reading passage from the Kadambari. Tilak, who was playing in the room, asked his father for the book. as the father book, his father thought the book was too difficult. The book was too difficult. How, and my son is very small. How can he give the explanation of this book? That's why on that time he told that, ask my father, ask my father, I will give the answers without any problem and without any difficulty. On that time difficult to his son to understand, but he did not want to discourage him. He told the young Tilak that he could have the book provided he solved difficult sum he would given him. Okay, he was familiar of that book before him. Okay, it was the power of determination. Okay, which power? Power of determination. Try to understand next part of this story. Okay. So great was Gangadhar Tilak determination to get the books that he struggled up 2 hours to solve. 2 hours to solve. I think you can see it very well without any problem. So great son Gangadhar Tilak determination to get the books that he struggles for 2 hours to solve the problem. Okay, his how many hours? 2 hours taken by Bal Gangadhar Tilak for solving the problem. He only stopped after he had finally solved the sum. His father was amazed at his son and gladly gave him the book to read. Okay, why he has solved the problem? Because he was fully determined. He go confidently in the direction of your dreams. He was going confidently in the direction of dreams. When he will stop, he will stop after the solve of the sums. Nothing is impossible in the universe. Nothing is impossible. Napoleon said. Who said? Napoleon. You know, you have already familiar with the name of Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay, he is the Napoleon said that nothing is impossible. The word impossible is found in the dictionary of fools. Whose dictionary? In the found of dictionary of fools. Make up your mind to do a thing, and whenever you will surely achieve what you are striving for. If you are determined to succeed from the very beginning, nothing and no one can stop you. Determination should not be confused with stubbornness. It is not good to be stubborn. A stubborn person is one of who has fixed rigid ideas and who doesn't listen to reason. Okay, so stubborn people don't think of others people point of view and insist on doing whatever they want even when they know that they are wrong. It means what? Napoleon Bonaparte always tells that don't think about problem, think about solution. How will you solve this problem? How will you overcome from your problem? According to Napoleon Bonaparte, nothing is impossible in this universe, in this world. Everything is possible. Okay, when you will find your solution, then definitely you will forget your problem. So think about solution, don't think about problem. Okay, in your whole life problem may arise, but you will have to solve, you will have to overcome from your problem, according to Napoleon Bonaparte. Clear? The determined person on the other hand. Okay, I think you can you are unable to see it. Okay, the determined person on the other hand are those who decide to follow a certain path they know to be a right and continue to strive until the goals is reached. They make up their mind to achieve their aims in the spite of all the difficulties. It determines people always. They think about the goals, they think about the aims, they don't think about the problem, they think about the solution. Okay, they go confidently in the direction of his dreams. Finally they surely they get success. What is this determination? Determination turns to approach. I can too, I will. This is the moral of this story. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it.